Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a contact from a Hostinger website Builder 2026. So actually guys, before getting through the article, I will talk about the first step. Okay, so the first step is you will need to log into your Hostinger account, and you will need to go to the website builder from your dashboard and select the website you want to edit and click edit website, and then just follow what we are going to read and what we are going to explain on that article by Hostinger. Okay, so that article is talking about how to add and manage contact forms on Hostinger. So it's right here to add contact forms to your website. You can use contact form elements and or contact form sections. And to add a contact form element, expand the add elements panel on the left. That's one. So it's like a plus icon, and find the contact form element and drag and drop it anywhere on the page. But I advise you first to navigate to the page where you want the form and select it, and then click on that icon. Okay, and then go with contact form or RSVP, as you can see. And to add a contact form section, click on add a section. So after clicking that one, you will be able to click on add a section option, and you will see this button on the horizontal border of any section, as I said. Okay, and from the menu on the left, choose contact form and select the preferred section template on the right and click on it. A contact form section will be inserted into your page. Alright, so once you do that, you click first on that plus icon, then just click on contact form inside that menu, and then just click here, and a contact form section will be inserted into your page. And then all you need to do is to edit the contact form. So you'll need to give it a name, a last name, your email, and a message. Then just click on submit. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.